Is snoring necessarily bad when you sleep?
Yes, because when
no
you
matter
snore,
what.
no matter what, because
Okay.
when you snore, you don't get that deep breath that was nitric oxide, which causes a dilation or opening of your arteries to get proper blood flow. So snoring can lead to cardiovascular issues, break up in relationships, sleeping in the other bedroom. And my joke is Dr. Rad brings people back in the bedroom with each other. And it is, sometimes I get the wife or the husband coming in after a week or so wearing the appliance and they're like, can I give you a hug? Like, absolutely.
That's awesome.
And that's the social implications.